Diameter is a 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal 0, and this equation number 1 cuts the given two circles orthogonally. Next, center of the required circle be minus g minus f. Given minus g minus f lies on the line. So substitute this point in the line equation. X value minus g, y value minus f, minus 7 equal to 0, minus 2g, minus 3f, minus 7 equal 0. Multiply with minus, we get 2g plus 3f plus 7 equal 0. Next, apply the second condition. 1 and 3 cut orthogonally. In the third equation, g dash value minus 2, f dash value minus 3. So, orthogonal condition 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2g g dash value minus 2 plus 2f f dash value minus 3 equal to c plus c dash value 11 minus 4g minus 6f minus c equal to 11. Similarly, 1 and 4 cut orthogonally. 2g g dash value minus 5, 2f f dash value minus 2 equal to c plus c dash value 21 minus 10g minus 4f minus c equal to 21. So, there are two equations in g, f and c. From these two, eliminate this c. So, 6 minus 7 gives sixth equation minus 4g minus 6f minus g, minus of seventh equation plus 10g plus 4f plus c equal to 11 minus 21. Finally, 6g. Next, minus 2f equal to minus 10. 2 table cancel. 3g minus f plus 5 equal to 0. Observe equation number 5 and equation number 8. These two are the equations in G and F. So, solve 5 and 8. This is the fifth equation. This is the eighth equation. Solving these two, we get G value minus 2, F value is minus 1. Substitute G value and F value in equation number 6. From that one, we calculate C value. So, minus 4 into G value minus 2 minus 6 into F value minus 1 minus C equal to 11, 8 plus 6 minus C equal 11 minus C equal to 11 plus 14 becomes to minus 14. So, minus C equal minus 3, minus cancel, C value is 3. So, already we get G value, F value and also C value. Substitute these three values in the required equation 1. Then we get x square plus y square plus 2 into G value minus 2 x plus 2 into F value minus 1 y plus 3 equal 0. So, answer is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Equation of the circle passing through 1 1 and cut the two circles orthogonally. That the equation of the circle is a general equation. Given point is 1 1. Given two circles are S dash and S double dash. We apply the first condition. 1 point lies on the circle. So substitute 1 in the line circle equation. 1 plus 1, 2g into 1, 2f into 1 plus c. So 2g plus 2f plus c plus 2 becomes 2 minus 2. That is equation number 4. Given second condition, 1 and 2 cut orthogonally. So 2g, g dash value minus 4, 2f, f dash value minus 1 equal to c plus c dash value 16 minus 8g minus 2f minus c equal to 16. This is equation number 5. Next, third condition, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 cut orthogonally. So 2g, g dash value minus 2, 2f, f dash value minus 2, c dash value minus 1, minus 4g, minus 4f, minus c equal to minus 1. That is equation number 6. C, equation number 4, equation number 5 and equation number 6. In equation number 4 and 6 there is plus c. So subtract 6 minus 4, then we cancel the c. Observe 5 and 6, there is minus c, there is plus c. So by adding 6 plus 5, c is cancelled. Then we get two equations in g and f. First, 6 minus 4, sixth equation, minus 4th equation, minus 2g, minus 2f, minus c equal to 1, minus or minus plus 2. So this 3 becomes 2 minus 3, minus 2g, plus 2f, minus 3 equal 0. In the sixth equation plus c, in the fifth equation minus c. So adding 5 and 6, then we get plus c minus c cancel, minus 4g plus 2f equal to 17. This becomes to minus 17. So multiply with minus 4g minus 2f plus 17 equal 0. So 7 and 8 are the equations in g and f. So solve 7 and 8. Solving 7 and 8, we get g value minus 7 by 3, f value 23 by 6. Substituting g value and f value in equation number 4. Equation number 4 is 2g plus 2f plus c equal minus 2. G value minus 7 by 3, f value 23 by 6 plus c equal 0. By simplifying, c value is minus 15 by 3. So substitute g value, f value, c value in equation number 1. G place minus 7 by 3, f place 23 by 6, c value 15 by 3. Multiply with 3, 3x square, 3y square, 3 cancel, minus 14x, 3 cancel, 23y, minus 15 equal to 0. To VSIQ. First formula 1. Given two circles, find the equation of the radical axis. Equation of radical axis, simply denoted by RA. Equation of the radical axis is s minus s dash equal to 0 or s dash minus s equal to 0. So, s x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 minus s dash, change the all symbols, minus x square minus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. X square cancel, y square cancel, 4x minus 2x equal to 2x, 6y minus 4y equal to 2y, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, 2 table cancel. Finally we get x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Next, second Roman, find the equation of the common chord. Equation of the common chord. Two intersecting circles, common chord is nothing but radical axis. Radical axis. So s minus s dash equal to 0. S value x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 minus s dash. Change the all symbols of s dash. Minus x square minus y square minus 4x minus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. X square cancel, y square cancel, minus 2x plus 3y minus 3y cancel. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Multiply with minus, we get 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Third Roman 1. Find the equation of the common tangent. Common tangent. This common tangent is nothing but the radical axis. So s minus s dash equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 10x minus 2y plus 22 minus s dash minus x square minus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 8 equal to 0. X square cancel, y square cancel, 8x plus 6y plus 14 equal to 0. 2 table, 4 times, 3 times, 7 times cancel. So 4x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. So equation of the radical axis, equation of the common chord, equation of the common tangent, they are nothing but the equation of the radical axis. Equation of the radical axis.